Hey guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. Today I'll be doing the first startups of both of my Rheem air conditioners. The reason why I'm doing it today, because I do have an 81-degree day coming up, but currently it's 61 out, but I want to get it done today so I can actually start cleaning these things before anything starts kicking up. So yeah, we're gonna see how bad this the upstairs unit is this year. They don't have logos on them currently because both of them broke like last year, but I do have new ones coming soon from courtesy of Vann, so hopefully these things will be back up and running soon. Well, with logos, that is. And this one will be, and hopefully they will be getting service this year, so that will be awesome, hopefully. So yeah, let's start them up. I got my new iPhone recording right here. I'm currently recording on my Canon PowerShot, so yeah, let's go start them up. Alright guys, to be a little bit different this year, we're going to start with the upstairs unit, so let's go. Alright, we're going. Fan motor's as loud as ever. As usual, we're getting nothing on the suction line or anything. This thing has a Copeland scroll compressor by Emerson and a what is this one? A ProTech fan motor. That's kind of on its last legs, as you guys can probably tell. It's a little rattly. But yeah. There we go. See if I can fix that rattle. I don't know what's causing that rattle, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna shut that down and we'll run this, and then what I'm probably gonna do is I'll turn both of them on, and then I'll probably just let them run for a little bit just to check on things, make sure they're running good, and see if there's any new problems or anything like that. So yeah. If the air handler shut down. Any day now. There we go. Let's go do the downstairs unit now. Alright guys, we'll do the downstairs unit now. Here we go. Alright, we're going. We're recording and we're going. It's going good. Again, this thing has an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor, and this one doesn't have a ProTech fan motor. This one has a Gentech. But yeah. Oh yeah, I have to show you guys the data sheets. Here's the data sheet on this one here. There you go. And I'll do the other one here. Try my best. But you know the drill. This thing's a 2.5 ton. This one is a 2 ton. Let's see what we got. We're getting cold here. That's for dang sure. That's good. Trying to zoom in on the compressor, that's impossible to do. They overall have a pretty nice sound to them. But yeah, I'm gonna have to clean these whenever I'm done filming this, and I'll record it. But again, I'll say this again. I think I said this in my last cleaning video, but this isn't intended to be a DIY. It's more or less just me doing it, I guess. Why not? Because I do things, you know, a little differently. And I don't want anyone breaking their units, of course. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut this off. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully, by the next video, I would like to have new logos on these units. And probably in May sometime, these things are probably getting serviced, so that'll be cool. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.